Let's get right into it. NPM. NPM stands for Node Package Manager and is the most widely used package manager in the world. It comes automatically with Node.js, which means almost every JavaScript developer uses NPM by default. NPM is used to manage libraries for both front-end and back-end JavaScript projects. Every NPM project contains a file called package.json. This file lists all the dependencies your project needs and the versions it can use. When you run npm install, NPM reads this file, downloads the required packages from the NPM registry, and stores them in a folder called node_modules. NPM also creates a package.lock.json file, which locks the exact versions of every dependency, including subdependencies. This ensures that your project behaves the same on every computer and prevents bugs caused by version mismatches. NPM is simple, widely supported, and works with almost every JavaScript framework, which is why it is the default choice for most developers. Yarn. Yarn is another popular JavaScript package manager that was created to improve speed and reliability. In the early days of NPM, installs were slow and inconsistent, so Yarn was introduced as a better alternative. Yarn uses a file called yarn.lock to ensure that everyone working on a project installs the exact same dependency versions. This makes projects more predictable and easier to maintain in teams. Yarn also uses aggressive caching, which allows it to install packages faster once they have already been downloaded. Today, NPM and Yarn are very similar in features, but Yarn is still commonly used in large teams and production projects where stability and consistent installs are critical. PNPM. PNPM is a modern and highly efficient JavaScript package manager. Unlike NPM and Yarn, PNPM does not create separate copies of every dependency for each project. Instead, it stores packages in a global store and links them to projects using references. This approach saves a huge amount of disk space and makes installations extremely fast. PNPM is also strict about dependency usage. If your project tries to use a package that is not listed in package.json, PNPM will throw an error. This helps catch hidden bugs early. PNPM is especially popular in large projects, monorepos, and performance-focused environments where speed and correctness matter. Pip is the default package manager for Python. It installs packages from the Python package index, also known as PyPy. Pip comes pre-installed with most Python versions and is very easy to use. Dependencies are usually listed in a requirements.txt file. When you run pip install, pip downloads the packages and makes them available to your Python environment so your code can import them. However, pip by itself does not isolate projects. If two projects require different versions of the same library, conflicts can occur. This is why pip is almost always used together with virtual environments to keep projects separate and clean. Poetry. Poetry is a modern Python package manager designed for professional and production-level projects. It handles dependency resolution, virtual environments, and packaging all in one tool. Poetry uses a file called pyproject.toml to define dependencies, project metadata, and version constraints. It also generates a lock file that guarantees consistent installs across different machines and environments. Because Poetry enforces clean structure and strict version management, it is becoming the standard choice for serious Python projects and development teams. Homebrew. Homebrew is a system-level package manager for macOS. It is used to install developer tools like Git, Node.js, Python, Docker, databases, and many command line utilities with a single command. Without Homebrew, setting up a development environment on macOS often means downloading installers manually, configuring paths, and fixing permission issues. Homebrew automates all of this, saving a lot of time and frustration. Homebrew installs software in a clean and organized way and makes updating or removing tools easy. While it does not manage project dependencies, it plays a crucial role in setting up the tools that developers rely on every day. apt. apt is the package manager used by Debian and Ubuntu-based Linux systems. It manages system-level software, such as compilers, drivers, servers, and utilities. apt focuses heavily on stability and security. Packages go through testing before they are released, which makes apt ideal for servers and production environments, where reliability matters more than having the latest version. System administrators and back-end developers use apt to keep systems updated, secure, and consistent. Like Homebrew, apt manages the operating system, not individual project dependencies. Maven. Maven is a widely used package and build manager for Java. It is especially common in enterprise and large-scale Java applications. Maven uses a configuration file called pom.xml where developers define dependencies, project structure, and build settings. Maven automatically downloads required libraries, resolves compatible versions, and manages complex dependency trees. In addition to dependency management, Maven also handles compiling code, running tests, and packaging applications, which makes it a central tool in professional Java development environments. I'll be back with more videos, so make sure to subscribe. Take care, guys.